Hello people, hello, welcome back to my channel, Diecast Skycrow. Today we will unbox and review Volkswagen Beetle from 1966, made by Motomax. Scale is 1/24. So let's see what Motomax have to show us with this model. I think it's gonna be great, but now I will unbox this model and check it out, how is made inside and outside. Here I go. Welcome back. Yes, now I'm unboxed this model, and the first things I saw it's the wheels. When I roll the car, something is wrong with the wheels. Wheels doesn't roll equally. Look at this. So when I turn upside down, yeah, that is a little bit error. Also, back wheels doesn't roll quite straight, as you can see going. Look at this curve on a wheel, on a rubber. Yeah. Okay, that's the first thing I saw. From the front, it looks okay, but this part seems like a little bit cheap, must say. Yeah, this is a plastic and not quite good quality, but this lights and this lights I like, and this front is beautiful. You know, these lines are beautiful, and also from the back it's okay, nothing special, but it's okay. And also does have this plastic part, but it's not about a plastic. It's a bit more about how good quality this plastic is, but I don't see that quality. Can we open? Yes, we can open this, and here this is supposed to be an engine, but as you can see, this is something inside. I don't know what it is, but it's supposed to be an engine. I will close now this. Okay, let's see inside of the Beetle. Again, the wheel looks like nice, beautiful and effective, but the execution is not quite good, because on edges of the wheel I can see the plastic and the sharp part of plastics, so that execution is not quite good. But seats are okay, and control board, it's okay, nothing special. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, gearbox is also inside. Okay. Not quite good, must say. Not quite good by Motormax. It's looks like outside beautiful like this, but when you check it out, we can see many errors they made, but the side mirrors are okay to me. And the top of the roof, they got these two boards for boarding. It's okay. Basically, it's not too heavy, but it's got his heaviness. But the wheels are bad. These plastic parts are cheap, and inside the wheel is control wheel is really bad execute. I think they could make this model better than they do. So thank you very much for watching this reviewing video. Don't forget to subscribe. You can visit me on my Facebook, on my TikTok accounts, also Instagram account, and now after this it's gonna be new shootout video of this model from top of the building. Behind of this car you can see city of Zagreb, so stay with me. Next day will be new reviewing of new model.